Okay, so today we're gonna do the unboxing for the floodlight. Looks like it's pretty big. So. Okay, off the back there's a little dent right there. I'm not sure if there's gonna be anything wrong with it. Wow, look at it. So here it is. This is the Stasun 150 watt LED floodlight. 350 watts to make it a total of 150 watts. So we're gonna unbox it and we're gonna see what it is. On the side of the box it says LED floodlights. It's made in China. It's has a symbol of trash can, PSE, don't know what that is, and IP66. Okay, other than that, that's pretty much, okay, on this side it says AC 120 volts, and it's 3000 K color temperature. Okay, so this is like a warm white color. And anything else? No, that's about it. So let's get right to it. See what's come with. So, like usual, we get the instructions. This one is in Spanish. On the one side is Spanish, the other side is English. So, the warranty disclosure. The product is covered under warranty for a period of 2 years from the date of receipt. Okay, so 2 years, not bad at all. And here they list all the information. Again, it looks like it's in Spanish and English. And it comes with screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 set of the same size, and the other 2 is like smaller size. And then, wow, it looks like they have like the anchor that goes right into the either the concrete or the wall. And then it has like the opener too as well. Here's one bracket. That one's outside. Oh my god, this thing is humongous. Put that aside. This is the wow. Look at that. This one looks like it's a solid metal. Wow. I would have to say, this is looking from the back end of it. So you're gonna see. So this is where you're gonna connect to the power tool. And here they got 3 separate ones. And I guess you can use the nut or the screw, whatever. And then you can just change it. So this one have to, I think it's gonna go like that, or actually like this. It's gonna be more like this. So you anchor this into the wall or the stud of the wood or something, because this is, I would say, this is easily at least 20 pounds. Okay, the light. This is a heavy duty one, not like simple small ones that I have installed. And then this one probably have to go into the wood or the concrete, and it'll be probably like something like this against the wall. And then you can angle it up and down. And also this 3-part right here, I guess you're gonna try it, loosen a little bit. Pretty tight. Okay, and then on the bottom as well. Wow, yeah, it was on pretty tight. Okay, so apparently you can turn it, adjust to however you want. Okay, and this one, once you get onto this bracket right here, you can make it up, down as well. So very pretty good design as far as I can tell. And this one, you can go same thing with this one as well. Okay, there you go. So as far as you can see, for example, if it's on the bracket or something, you can change it. You see, you can move it. You can even move it like almost like 180 degrees. Flip it over there. There we go. Okay, so I don't know how bright this is, but looking at the quality wise so far and with what's included, looks like this is a heavy duty light, and I'm excited. I just can't wait to install it and see how bright it is. So right now I'm still debating, not sure where to put it, either my front yard or on my backyard. So, but either way, this one would have to go onto like a very like it has to be anchored into the wood or into the concrete, because this is not tiny 5 pounds here and there. This is super heavy. This is quality, super duty, heavy duty. Okay, alright guys, so that is it for the unboxing. So this is the what model is this one? So you know exactly what model it is. This is the Stasun's 150 watts LED. So apparently this one has 13,500 lumens. Okay, so that's gonna be super bright. Okay, so if you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see and check out my installation of it, make sure you subscribe. And thank you for watching. And today's Father's Day, so happy to all the fathers out there, and be safe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.